have three ways you can attract the best pet business clients. I don't care if you're a dog walker, I don't care if you're a pet sitter, I don't care if you do in home dog boarding and daycare. It doesn't matter. These are the three best ways that you can attract the best, most ideal clients that you dream about. The first is to charge premium prices. Your pricing is your marketing. It says that your services are trustworthy, valuable, and reliable. Three things that are extremely important in the pet care industry. Number two, charge premium prices. Customers who value finer things in life actually value the people who bring them the finer things in life too. And number three, take a guess. It is charge premium prices. Customers who go to a five-star restaurant are in general more respectful and they show up on time and they communicate well because this is how they got to be so successful. This is how they became a higher income earner themselves. When you charge higher prices, you are bringing in high quality, ideal clients who are not only going to respect your time, but they're going to appreciate you that much more.